Hello, my name is Billy Hunsucker. I'm Vice President, General Manager of Capital Spring. We are a location within MW Industries out of Chicago, Illinois. Wanted to talk to you about torsion springs today. Torsion springs are in a lot of applications. There are simple things such as mouse traps and as complicated as things as joysticks for heavy equipment. We've had a lot of customers that come to us at the last minute and have a very small envelope of space restraints, and they need a spring to do a particular function, and they've kind of painted us into a corner. So we try to demonstrate our value by trying to get involved early in the developments before they build hard tooling, so we can a lot of times eliminate a lot of cost by doing this. One of the unique things that differentiates MW Industries from our competitors is we really have a strong relationship with our development engineers, with our customer base, and we have convinced them with a lot of lunch and learns and seminars about the importance of getting us involved early in the development stages of their product.
MW Industries is a large family of companies. If you combine all the different types of torsion springs, all of us can make double body torsion springs, single body torsion springs, shaped wire torsion springs, torsion bars. There aren't too many torsion springs that we can't manufacture for any application that will come across our desk. I'm Hoyt Lola. I'm Business Development Manager for Capital Spring, an MW Industries company.